integration. This is the numerical integration. Now this is the figure that you know. This is the function fx. This is I. This is I. This is I plus 1. This is I plus 2, and so on. So I plus up to I plus n. This is the spacing h, and from here to here let us take this is z. Okay, the integral of a function fx may be obtained by integrating its Taylor series expansion term by term. Okay, now let I indicate the integral of function of x from x is equal to xi to x is equal to x I plus n, that is over n strips of width h. Now starting at xi, what is I, the integral is equal to xi plus nh function of x dx, that is equal to 0 to nh function of xi plus z into dz. So this is equal to, this is the equation 1. Expanding function xi plus z about xi, we get function of xi plus z is equal to fi. These are Taylor series, so that you know already. Integrating term by term, we get nx is equal to nhi, so it is nh z by integration from 0 to nh, all the term integrating 0 to nh. So nh fi dash plus this is this. Okay, again f dot I and fi dot double dot means first derivative, second derivative can be replaced by their differentiation formula. By this formula we know already, we have derived in differentiation. F dot fi dot is equal to fi plus 1 minus fi by h, and this is the term, error term, so you can neglect this one. So we get in 2 point. So this is h by 2 is equal to, is also if you put the value of this one in that previous. Okay, this is n square h cube by 12 into 3 minus twice n fi double dot. Now case 1, when n is equal to 1, then we get I1 2 point h by 2 into fi plus 1 plus fi. This is the equation, very well known equation, integration formula. I1 2 point h by 2 into fi plus 1 plus fi by 2. So this is actually trapezoidal rule. Okay, this formula is important, we will be using it to do the numerical problems. Case 2, when n is even, it is often more convenient to integrate with respect to mid ordinates. Mid ordinate means nh by 2 and nh by 2. Nh is divided by into two terms, minus nh by 2 up to plus nh by 2. So this is xi plus nh. So this you know, I plus n x suffix I plus n. Okay, the same thing as this one. So it will be minus nh by 2 up to nh by 2 plus nh by 2. So f dot xi dz. Okay, so 1 second I will show you. So next page, please wait 1 minute. So now this is the previous figures. Now here you will find in this point, this is nh by 2. So this is x I n by 2. This is nh by 2 minus, from if it is 0, this is minus nh by 2. So xi minus nh by 2 this point, and this point is xi plus nh by 2. So this distance is nh by 2. So we are integrating from here to here. Okay, this is like this. Okay, so this is the, again this is expanding the Taylor series. Substituting in this and integrating it, we get I is equal to nh into f naught okay. Replacing the second derivative by the 3 point that you already know. By the 3 point. So you know this formula, 3 point formula. We get this I n 3 point. Okay. So putting n is equal to 2 here, 2 point, I 3 point, n is equal to 2, so 2, 3. You can write down 2, 3 point. This is actually, if you put this I2 3 point, h by 3, this is the formula. This formula is called 1/3 Simpson rule with respect to ith coordinate. So if you put for n is equal to 4, I4 3 point formula will be this one. This error is of the order of h to the power 5. Okay, so that's all. We will show you once again the whole figure. You have to note down with pen or pencil and do it yourself. Thank you very much.